early on in my career, when I was just starting out. I had a really lovely young Vietnamese couple who had very limited English, and I didn't realise at that point that it was a good idea not to go to people's wedding receptions, and so they insisted that I come along.
Yes.
And when we got to the reception, they sat me right next to the groom at the bridal table. So that was really weird. And then about halfway through the reception, the father of the groom stood up and handed me a piece of paper and got me to stand up, and he said, "Oh, here, can you read this out?" And it was actually his wife. She had passed away, and it was her death certificate, and none of the family had understood why she had passed away, and he asked me to then explain to the entire family and group what was on the death certificate and why she had what had caused her death. And it was very uncomfortable, but I really felt sorry for them, the poor things, because with limited English they hadn't understood, and they'd waited till this moment and gotten me to announce it to the entire group. So that was probably the weirdest one I've done.
That's really bizarre, but I'm very curious. What was the cause of death?
She had actually died of a brain aneurysm, unfortunately, so it was very sad, but it was, and they were a lovely family, and I actually went back later and did, the father remarried, and then the other son married, and I kind of kept doing weddings in that family, so.
Were you the guest of honour at each of the other weddings at the head table too?
You know what, I had things all masked, those ones, and
Of course you did.
I learned my lesson down the track that after doing a wedding, it's usually best to leave the reception to the family and friends, and that's their time. So
yeah, good for you. That's extraordinary.
Yeah, there's been, I've been a celebrant for a long time. I've done hundreds of ceremonies, and there's been so many. I've seen people fall out of cars and.
Susan, I've fallen into a few cars after a couple of wedding receptions.
Oh, this is before the reception. This is getting to the wedding. I've seen brides fall out of cars.
Oh no.
Mix 102.9.